Hello guys, good and welcome. In this tutorial, we're going to look at how to find the general term of of a geometric sequence, not arithmetic. We've covered arithmetic sequence where we obtain the next term by adding. So 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 2, 7, 7 plus 2, 9. The difference is plus 2. So if the difference is addition or subtraction, then we call it the arithmetic sequence. However, if we obtain the difference by multiplication like this one, times 2, times 2, times 2, times 2 to get the next number, or we are dividing to get the next number, then we call it a geometric sequence, not arithmetic sequence. We have already covered that. Please do watch the video on arithmetic sequence if you do not understand it. All right, so in this sequence that we've been given, we've seen that we have a common ratio. So the common ratio is times 2. So we multiply by 2 to get the next number. The first term we got a 3, second term is a 6, third term is 12, the fourth term is 24, the fifth term is this, and we are going to look for the 10th number. So we can keep multiplying times 2 up until the 10th number. But what if we are given the 100th number, the 200th number? If we are asked to find a very big number, how are we going to do that? So for the purpose of that, we need to find a formula that we can use to find the largest number. So we're going to use that to find the 10th number here and create that ourselves. Now to do this, understand that we said the first term, the first number here, it's represented by an A. So our A, the first term is a 3, all right? And the common ratio is times 2, right? Or just a 2. So the common ratio is a 2, but we know it's multiplication times 2. Keep this in mind. We are going to use it just now. All right. Now, to find a 10th number or any number, we start with the first number, 3. And what do? We multiply this 3 by the common ratio, which is a 2. So how many times are we multiplying the 2? 9 times. If your answer was 9, that's correct. So why are we multiplying 9 times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. Because we are looking for the 10th number, the 10th term. So if you are looking for the 10th term, it means we must multiply all the numbers 10 times. But we already have the first number 3, which means we need 9 multiplications to make the total 10, right? Makes sense. Good. So instead of multiplying by 2, by 2, by 2, by 2 like this, we can simplify this and say 2. How many times did we multiply the 2? 9 times. If you count, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And so that is the 9 times that I've written here. The 3 is still there. So 3 times this. And this will give us what? 3 times 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 18 will be the 10th number if we sorry, it's not 9 there's a mistake here. So we're not multiplying it 9 times like this, but it's 2 raised to the power of 9. That makes sense, because if we've covered exponents, and in exponents we said that if whenever you multiply a number by itself, it's the same as that number, then you raise to the power of the number of times you multiply. So don't make the mistakes, and mistakes are allowed. I'm not going to edit this for you to know that in math you can make mistakes. Okay, all right. So this is 2 power 9 and 3 times this. Now if we simplify 2 power 9 and we multiply it by 3, the answer that we're gonna get, so let's try that. This is 4, this is 8, this is 16, this is 16 times 2 is 32, 64 times 2 is 128, 256, 512. So this is 512 for 2 power 9 times 3. So 512 times 3, we have 6, we have 3, we have 1,536. So this is the number you need to get. All right. But now, instead of going through all of this process and method, why can't we just create a simple method or formula that we can help us to do this? Now, from this step, what do we see here? We see that the first term 3 is still there, right? And the 2 power 9 that we've got here is the 2 is the common ratio. So let's leave the 2, the common ratio. And the 9, where are we getting the 9? We were asked to find the 10th number, right? So that 10th number minus a 1 should give us this 9. So if we were asked to find a 100th number, it was going to be what? That 100th number, the common ratio times that power, that 100th number minus a 1, which will be 2 power 99. It means that we were going to multiply the first term 3 by 299 times. 2 power 99 means we are multiplying 299 times. Okay, and that is how. So if we convert this into a formula, then we can get, we said what the 3 is the first term. So 3 times 2 power 99, which is the same as, let me clean the side, which is the same as the first term A times R, which is the ratio. 2 is the ratio, right, which is R. And the 99 is coming from the 100th term. So we don't know the term now, which is n minus 1. And n is the nth term, which is the term that you'll be asked to find. And this becomes the formula you use to find the any term of a geometric sequence. If they say we should find the T200, the 200th term, that means our n becomes 200. Okay, our first term is the first number in the sequence. Our R is the common ratio. So determine your common ratio and find the rest will be given to you. The only thing you have to find is a common ratio. Your first term A is there. Your n is the term that you'll be asked to find. And that is how you find the general term of a geometric sequence. Click on the next video to look at how we apply this in solving more examples. See you there.